Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As promised in my last video, this is a backhoe video, and I'm using the Kioti backhoe to deal with an issue that we have had since we had the shop built. What has it been? I think this coming April will be 2 years that it's been since we built it. Anyway, it's been a work in progress, the shop has. And when we built it, or when we had it built, we did have the slab poured inside, or the floor poured, I guess you'd say. And we also had the sidewalk out front under the patio poured. What didn't occur to me, and I guess builders don't typically talk about remedies to this issue, but it has bugged the crap out of me since I started using the shop. And part of it's probably because we do have somewhat of a hill here, but the issue is the doors. I have two rolling doors, so I can have one open at a time. They're basically, these are 11 and some change foot slots. And so they open, and I can open one at a time, which is fine. And typically I always have one open when I'm, working around the property or whatnot, either pulling tractors or vehicles or other equipment in. But with rain and gravel and all that stuff, there's just a constant issue with these doors, because everything just accumulates right underneath them, and I can't easily open and shut them. So it's always a wrestling match to get them open and closed. Even if I rake this out periodically, it still fills back up. And I don't really feel like rocks coming in from above. It's mostly just when you're moving equipment, you're moving the rock. So I don't think it just does it on its own. I did put a French drain across here not that long ago. It's out about 2 feet from the doors. And so anyway, the video today is about digging this out and pouring concrete under the doors. I want to put, my plan I think is probably 4 to 6 inch piece of concrete, like a curbing basically, that'll go under it to keep debris and whatnot from getting under the doors. Now rocks and pebbles and stuff are still going to go onto that piece of concrete most likely, but even if I have to sweep it off before I open them, close them, it'd take me like 2 seconds versus wrestling to get the doors open and closed constantly. The other thing is the bottom of the doors are kind of ripped up now from constantly opening and closing over this terrain. So that's what the video is about. I haven't seen any other videos about this issue because I've looked thinking, is this the only solution I can come up with? So this is my solution. I've kind of thought about it and mulled it over quite a bit. I think it's a good way to go. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so here is the finished product the next day. And will it work? I don't know. There's a part of me that thinks maybe it'll break or maybe come loose from the spot that it's at, or even if it does, it might still work. Basically, I was looking for an apron to pull into the shop. Can't drive on it for 7 days, so it's gonna be a week before I know what happens, but thought it'd be worth a try, and I'll keep you posted on how it works, if it was a bad idea. If nothing else, still got the backhoe. I can grab a hold of it and tear it out or whatnot, but I'm hopeful that it might work for an apron to pull into the shop. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you soon.